In this video, we will see how to clean the dirty painted drum to the clear clean drum. So let's get into the video. Now we will see how to clean the tub completely. It is fully being filled with the paint. Let's remove it. Have a scrubber and add the turpentine. Then add the turpentine in the container which we are going to remove the paint, but add little because it is slightly costly. So let's see. Now after adding, you can slightly scrub, it will be removed. See, now I am adding and scrolling it through the container. And spread the turpentine and wait for some time. It will be getting penetrated. Then scrub over the container. See, after 2 minutes I am scrubbing. See, it's very easy. I will remove and show you completely. Wait and see. See, it's easily removed. It is deeply penetrated. You can also scrub through the blades. See. Only after adding the turpentine, you will be getting easy way of removing the paints. Complete throw the container and show you at last. See, now it's cleaned also. See, it's very easy. After removing some amount with the turpentine, and now I have added with water for removing. After water getting penetrated, you can use the scrubber and also the blades to remove. See now. At last we have this much only. We will go through it. At last we have completely removed the paint from the container. That's it, friends. Thank you.